समारोह के सफल आयोजन हेतु अपनी शुभकामनाएं भेजी हैं। हम और हमारा विद्यालय परिवार स्वागत करते हैं पुलिस अधीक्षक पलामू श्री उदय सिंह और उपस्थित तमाम गणमान्य अतिथियों।
Welcome on the ninth occasion of Annual Day celebration. We feel highly honored to have you amidst us, witnessing this program, the continuance of our future generation of the nation.
खुशी में झूमने लगी हरे स्वागतम 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 आपका। और अब हम करते हैं स्वागत हमारे माननीय अतिथि आरक्षी अधीक्षक पलामू।
Our respected principal, Mr. B.K. Singh, to present children to my famous Palamu.
हमारे बीच उपस्थिति गणमान्य अतिथि, हम इन सभी अतिथियों का समारोह पूर्वक अभिनंदन सरदार सतबीर सिंह को स्वागत करेंगे। साथ ही स्वागत करते हैं हम है उस कर्म योगी को जो अकेला चला था जानवे मंजिल मगर लोग आते गए कारवां बनता गया। झारखंड युवाओं को चुनौती देने वाली थी, उस महात्मा को जिसने सादा जीवन उच्च विचार को आत्मसात कर लिया था, अपने जीवन का मकसद बना लिया था।
Today we are dedicating this program to Karmayogi Mahatma of the DAV movement. DAV institutions in Jharkhand and Bihar, Orissa, West Bengal and UP are advancing education on the lines drawn by Mahatma N.G. Grover. We DAVians are soldiers of Mahatma N.G. Grover, fighting against social evils as
महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर को, जिन्होंने बिहार, झारखंड, उड़ीसा, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश एवं पश्चिम बंगाल में DAV स्कूलों को स्थापित कर शिक्षा का दीप प्रज्वलित किया। महात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर का जन्म अविभक्त पंजाब के मियांवाली जिले के ईसाकेल कस्बे में हुआ। वर्ष 1939 में मैट्रिक की परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण करने के पश्चात आप लाहौर के DAV कॉलेज के छात्र बने। पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय से रसायन शास्त्र में MSc की परीक्षा पास कर आपने DAV कॉलेज लाहौर में व्याख्याता के रूप में अपना अध्यापन कार्य शुरू किया। भारत विभाजन के बाद स्वर्गीय नारायण दास जी ने अम्बाला स्थित DAV कॉलेज में व्याख्याता के रूप में कार्यभार संभाला और वर्ष 1960 तक कार्यरत रहे। नारायण दास जी के कर्म जीवन का अगला दौर वर्ष 1960 में DAV कॉलेज अबोहर के संस्थापक प्राचार्य बनने से शुरू हुआ। वर्ष 1960 से 1977 तक आप पंजाब के अबोहर फाजिल्का क्षेत्र में 1 दर्जन से अधिक शिक्षण संस्थाओं की अध्यक्ष हैं। 1977 से 1982 तक आपने दयानंद कॉलेज हिसार का सफल संचालन भी किया। आप पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय चंडीगढ़ में विज्ञान संकाय के सीनेट सदस्य भी रहे। आपने विश्वविद्यालय हरियाणा के कुरुक्षेत्र स्पोर्ट्स कमेटी के अध्यक्ष को भी सुशोभित किया। वर्ष 1982 में आपके कर्म जीवन में एक क्रांतिकारी बना और आपने बिहार में डीएवी शिक्षण संस्थानों के क्षेत्रीय निदेशक के रूप में पदार्पण किया। आपने बिहार, झारखंड, पश्चिम बंगाल तथा उड़ीसा के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों, विशेषकर पिछड़े आदिवासी क्षेत्रों में 200 से अधिक विद्यालयों की स्थापना। झारखंड में आपने आदिवासी उत्थान अभियान को भी सफलतापूर्वक संचालित किया। पिछड़ों, दलितों और शिक्षा से वंचित बच्चों के प्रति स्वर्गीय नारायण दास जी में एक सहज प्रेम था। उन्होंने युद्ध में शहीद वीरों के बच्चों के लिए डीएवी शिक्षण संस्थानों में निःशुल्क शिक्षा की व्यवस्था की। नारी शिक्षा उत्थान के लिए नरहा, पूर्णिया जैसे अनेक डीएवी स्कूलों में निःशुल्क शिक्षा की योजना लागू की। भुज का भूकंप, उड़ीसा का विनाशकारी तूफान, बिहार की विकराल बाढ़ या फिर दक्षिण भारत में आए विध्वंसकारी सुनामी में स्वर्गीय नारायण दास जी सदैव पीड़ितों की सहायता के लिए न केवल आगे रहे वरन उन्होंने विद्यार्थियों, शिक्षकों और अभिभावकों को भी यथासंभव मदद के लिए प्रेरित किया। एक घटना मुझे विशेष रूप से याद आती है। हर वर्ष डीएवी विद्यालयों में वैदिक कैंप का आयोजन किया जाता है। बात 1989 की है। नारायण दास जी ट्रेन में कहीं जगह नहीं थी। तृतीय क्लास के डब्बे में खड़े होकर उन्होंने यात्रा की चंडीगढ़ से रांची की, जबकि उनकी पत्नी कोमा में थी। क्योंकि बच्चों ने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि सर क्या आप वैदिक कैंप में हमारे बीच नहीं रहेंगे। भागे हुए वो आए। आने के बाद लड़कियों के कैंप को अटेंड किया उन्होंने डीएवी गिरिडीह में और उसके बाद पहुंचे डीएवी मुनेडी। मैं उस समय वहीं पर कार्यरत बच्चों के बीच वहाँ समय बिताया। और जब वो वापस लौट कर चंडीगढ़ पहुंचे उनकी पत्नी और उन्होंने सभी उन्हें मालूम था कि पता नहीं जब वो लौट कर आएंगे तो उनकी पत्नी जीवित रहेंगी या नहीं। वो सभी व्यवस्था करके आए थे आंख को डोनेट करने की, नेत्रदान का पूरी व्यवस्था करने को आए। तो ऐसे थे हमारे नारायण दास जी। कहीं भी खूंटी को उन्होंने अपना कर्म क्षेत्र बनाया जहाँ विशेष रूप से आदिवासियों के लिए कार्य किया। आज जो इतनी डीएवी संस्थाओं का जाल जो आप देख रहे हैं ये नारायण दास जी का देन है। उन्होंने इतनी सारी संस्थाएं स्थापित और 1989 में यहाँ डीएवी स्कूल की स्थापना हुई। आज नारायण दास जी भले ही हमारे बीच नहीं है, लेकिन उस महामानव द्वारा स्थापित शिक्षण संस्थान उनके जीवित स्मारक है और इन संस्थानों में अध्ययनरत प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी को उनका हंसता खिलखिलाता चेहरा सदैव रहता रहे। उन्हें शत शत प्रणाम। और शिक्षा के दीप को प्रज्वलित रखते रखने के लिए मैं आग्रह करूंगा आज के मुख्य अतिथि चौधरी कुमार सिंह से कि हम दीप प्रज्वलित करें और शिक्षा के
दीपों को प्रज्वलित करने माननीय अतिथिगण ज्योति से ज्योति जलती रहे हमारा उद्देश्य। दिलों के चिराग रोशन रहे, रास्ते में उजाले दिखते रहे, मन में प्यार के दीप जलते रहे।
Of the world, God's grace shall shower. So here comes our junior students depicting this theme through a dance, showing the importance of culture holding on the relation tightly.
Music and have been the spirit and soul of life since the beginning. It gives each listener different levels of enjoyment. हम आरव के संतान करते हैं में विश्व शांति में। शांति का प्रतीक भारत, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम का उद्देश्य हम भारतीयों का। इस उद्देश्य की पूर्ति हेतु हम हैं सतत प्रयत्नशील और इस लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति हेतु तत्पर हमारी भावी पीढ़ी।
Theme of peace through a dance, showing the importance of culture, holding of the relations tightly. विश्व के मानचित्र पर दक्षिण में अवस्थित ब्राजील। और अब हम चलते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के विश्व का सबसे छोटा महाद्वीप ऑस्ट्रेलिया। अब हम आपको लिए चलते हैं सऊदी अरेबिया। और अब उत्तरी अमेरिका का प्रसिद्ध देश मेक्सिको।
हमारी हमारे देश भारत की, जिसके विश्व बंधुत्व की भावना पूरे संसार में प्रसिद्ध है। सम की उम्र बढ़ाने वालों, लॉ की उम्र
After colonial cousin, our kids
अभिभावकों से हमारा अनुरोध है कि वो कृपया अपने बच्चों की फोटोग्राफी न करें। विद्यालय की ओर से हर एक कार्यक्रम की फोटोग्राफी सीधी उन्हें पूर्व सूचना के पश्चात उपलब्ध कराई जाएगी। और खींच ले जाता है हम में से हर एक को यादों के फिक्रे से भरे इन्हीं क्षणों को कभी जिया था।
I would request our respected principal sir, Sri V.K. Singh, to address the eminent guest. Sir.
About TAP organization and educational facilities we are providing to the children. I would like the parents should know about TAP movement. Dayanand Anglo-Vedic institutions owe their sustenance to the Arya Samaj, embodiment of the progressive movement launched by Swami Dayanand Saraswati in 1875. The Swami was a great pathfinder of modern India and led a crusade against the superstitious and pernicious practices that prevailed in contemporary India. Towards the end of the 19th century, India lay in a socio-political ferment. This led the Swami to form the Arya Samaj for the revival of Indian society, intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. With the clarion call back to the Vedas, he laid down the priorities of Arya Samaj, of which the foremost was the spread of education. He believed, and rightly so, that it leads to an awakening throughout the length and breadth of the country. With a view to bringing about a balanced and harmonious development of the future citizens of the country and infusing in them the ideals of Vedic culture, a group of enlightened, dedicated and devoted followers of Swamiji founded the Dayanand Anglo-Vedic College Trust and Management Society, with which the highly influential DAP was started. The movement wouldn't have achieved its goal had it not found the young and brilliant graduate Lala Hansraj, later known as Mahatma Hansraj, as the first principal of the first TAP institution. The Mahatma offered his honorary services as Jivan Daan. Gift of life for 25 invaluable years. Matchless also was the sacrifice of his brother Lala Mulk Raj, who fulfilled his place of supporting Hansraj's family all those years. The movement owed much of its success also to a number of other noted visionaries and patriotic men like Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhai Parmanand, Lala Dwarka Das, Principal Sen Das, Bakshi Ram Ratan, and Bakshi Tekchand. The confluence of Indian thought and culture rendering unique service in dispelling ignorance and illiteracy with modern technology. The movement suffered a temporary setback on account of the partition of the country. Notwithstanding that, the vigorous efforts made by indomitable spirit like Meher Chand Bahadur gave it a new lease of life. Since then, it has never looked back. Getting exemplary guidance from the dynamic and inspiring personalities such as Dr. G.N. Datta, Lala Suraj Bhan, Ved Vyas, Lala Bhagwan Das, P.R. Suri, Darbari Lal, and Narayan Das Kaur. At present, the DAP College Trust and Management Society, vanguard of the DAP movement, is under the inspiring guidance of The society takes pride in the fact that it is the largest non-governmental educational organization in India, managing a chain of 700 institutions. It covers with its annual budget of rupees 200 crores the entire spectrum of educational activities in the country. As things stand now, the very prefect DAV brings to one's mind academic excellence and character building. Every year, thousands of students pass out of the DAV institutions and distinguish themselves at the national and international level. As a result, the society has as its alumni distinguished jurists and sports persons. The father of DAV schools in Ranchi, Patna and Odisha zone, a real disciple of Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma N.G. Grover, was on his mission of establishing educational institutions to the regions where people were deprived of quality education. In the year 1989, he was at Darjeeling. They are a rickshaw puller. Will he get the child admitted if DAV school is established to this place? The rickshaw puller replied, "क्यों नहीं बाजू?" श्री गोरवट the rickshaw puller replied, "कोई बात नहीं बाजू, 2 घंटा ज़्यादा रिक्शा चला लेंगे." Such a keen desire of the rickshaw puller touched the heart of Mahatma and laid the foundation of DAV school at Darjeeling in the year 1989. The educational motive of DAV schools is to provide quality education to all with 100% free exemption for the meritorious and financially poor students as well as socially backward and tribal students. They are also provided with free notebooks for the whole session. The school was started in a rented building with 200 students from LKG to Standard 4 and 10 teachers. It was shifted to the existing building whose foundation stone was laid down by Sri Rameshwar Orao, IPS and at present Central Minister in the Government of India. The school is now spread over an area of 4.11 acres for which land was provided by Sardar Harbal Singh Ji. The present strength of the school is 3,200 approximately, from LKG to Standard 12, Science and Commerce, with 5 sections in almost all the classes, well equipped with advanced audio-visual aids, which are being used, making the classroom teaching live, interesting and effective. The school got affiliated to CBSE up to Standard 10 in the year 1998, and the first batch of plus 2 affiliate from school in the same year. The affiliation to CBSE was extended up to plus 2 level in the year 2002, and the first batch appeared from this school in the year 2003. We also have the study center for NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, especially to facilitate the study of the students who failed to continue with their studies due to one reason or the other. And after that, we did not look back, and it was a great leap with the establishment of an engineering college at the Betla Road, 2 kilometers from Dubiaghar. The engineering college called DAV Institute of Engineering Technology is approved by AICTE and affiliated to Ranchi University. The classes for the 4 disciplines, namely computer science, electronics and communications, electrical and mechanical engineering for the academic session 2000. All that a man achieves and all that he fails to achieve is the direct result of his own thoughts. As a man thinks, so he is. As he continues to think, so he remains. Thoughts play a vital role in to reach the sky and adding deep to discover the world. Ours is a joint effort to bring out the best from the children so that they excel not only in studies but also in co-curricular activities, providing them a platform for their all-round development. by ensuring their participation in the activities like sports and games, cultural activities, quiz, debate, declamation, panel discussion, speaking skills, etc. I take this opportunity to thank for your continued support, without which it wouldn't have been possible to achieve the basic goal of all-round development of the children. Your support proved for us like a catalyst, and in a very small span of time, we have been able to provide your children all sorts of facilities such as well-equipped labs, rich library, big playground with all the sports and game facilities, and full-fledged computer lab with a capacity of 70 computers, which is an essential need for this computer era. You'll be glad to recall that all the circulars related to your ward, as well as result of all the tests, such as Monday test, term exams, etc., available at the website. And this is the only school which provides whose results, internal results, are available on own website, and dedicated teachers are always at job to sort out the problems of your children. It is only due to your firm belief in our system and necessary financial support in the form of monthly fee, we have been able to provide your ward high-grade education and high-tech facilities in the school. You'll be glad to know that your children are being provided with the education as well as educational facilities at par with the reputed public schools of big cities. Due to this reason only, it has been possible to find our all result ranking of our schools at 10th and plus 2 levels, superior to many public schools of great repute in the state capital. In the academic session 2004-05, Master Abhinav Rao from our school topped the list of Jharkhand in AISS 10th level, securing 97% of marks. And again, in the year 2007, Abhinav Kumar of the Standard 10 topped the list of Jharkhand state for the second time, securing 98.6% of marks. We judge overall academic performance of our students not on the basis of percentage of marks, highest percentage of marks of an individual. Instead, it is judged by their class average, which gradually increased from 67.17% to 71.80% in the academic session 7-8 in AISSE plus 2 level. The class average for AISSE, that is standard 10, increased from 70% in the academic session 4-5 to 74% in the current academic session, that is 7 and 8, and the school was put in the very good category at the national level. Every year, many students after passing plus 2 from this school qualify various competitive exams such as IIT, IEEE, CBSE Medical, NDA, NIPT, IT section management, etc., and have been placed in companies of great repute. Not only in the field of academics, our students have also excelled in sports and games and athletic events and bagged 6 gold medals, 9 silver medals, and 2 bronze medals, registering their participation at CBSE national level by defeating the participants of the CBSE schools from 14 states and countries at cluster 1 and 2 level, comprising of the states Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. At the final stage, participation or participants were put at the 4th position. You will be pleased to learn that MKDB Public School is a member of a chain of about 700 schools run by DAV College Trust and Management Society throughout the country. And we organize internal competitions for the overall development of the children. For sports and games, the national level tournament has been named after the first principal of DAV institution, Mahatma Hansraj, and is known as Mahatma Hansraj Aryan Tournament. In this tournament at zonal level, in which 80 schools of Ranchi zone participated, the students from our school bagged 8 gold, 6 silver and 1 bronze medal. And the school bagged overall championship for junior boys at the zonal level. Archana Topko, a participant from this school, was declared the best athlete girl for the session 2006-7 as well as 7. At zonal level, we have junior league NCC for boys as well as girls, one group of 60 cadets each. Cadet Sneha Singh was selected the best cadet at the state level, Jharkhand, and second best cadet in Jharkhand and Bihar, and represented both the states on 58th Republic Day in the year 2007 in Republic Day celebration at national level in New Delhi. In the youth festival at national level, teams of Qawwali and Solo Bhajan were selected amongst 87 schools at zonal level and ensured the participation of the school at national level. DAV is a movement and is playing a vital role in bringing a silent revolution in the thoughts of the future citizens of the country that believe in values. About 2 lakh students start their morning assembly in Baptism, which gives them a strength in molding their thinking process to believe in Vedic values, which is urgently required to establish brotherhood and harmony in the society. Primary aim of education is not to shape the students in a way to make them a machine of producing money. Instead, we are working hard to produce sensible citizens of future who can work not only to earn their livelihoods, but to face the challenges of new world order and to make this world a better place to live in. We believe in Vedic values and working hard to inculcate these values in the children, enabling them to develop moral, willing participants and contributors to the society. The staff members who are working as the true soldiers of Swami Dayananda. And with this team, I would like to mention the following lines of Robert Frost. Books are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you.
Ready, गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, प्रभु जी तेरे पद पद तोरे संभाले। मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, प्रभु जी पद पद तोरे संभाले, प्रभु जी पद पद तोरे संभाले। मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले। हे दाता हमें शरण में ले लो, मोह माया का दामन छोड़ो। हे दाता हमें शरण में ले लो, हे दाता हमें शरण में ले लो। मुझे पापी को अपना ले, मुझे पापी को तू अपना ले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले। मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले। भंवर में डोले नैया, पार लगा दे ओ रखवैया। ओ बीच भंवर में डोले नैया, पार लगा दे ओ रखवैया, पार लगा दे ओ रखवैया। मुझे पापी को तू संभाले, मुझे पापी को तू संभाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले। मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले, प्रभु जी पग पग तोरे संभाले, 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 प्रभु जी
On stage and present the award to our senior geniuses. I would request respected principal to escort him. Sir. Shekhar Suman of Standard 8C stood first with 94 percentage. Diksha Pramani of 8D stood second with 94.17%. Om Prakash Pathar of 8C stood third with 93%.
%91.7%, 98.